Today we are cooking Liziwe's mom's recipe. It's called Umngqusho and it's Samp and Pork Trotters.
Yes, this is Samp with a difference. Okay, I'm gonna add about 200 grams.
Great.
Of bacon, just breaking it with my hands there.
Okay, and these trotters are available at our butcheries.
Yes, this is all Eskort and I love them. They're so meaty and they're clean.
Yes, exactly.
So
Yeah.
Such a good quality.
So this is how your mom would have cooked it as well. So this is the okay.
No.
What
She's
is
gonna
different?
be so surprised.
Yes.
But it just used to be cooked with salt.
Okay.
Maybe she will add a curry or teaspoon or two.
Yes.
But it was so yummy still. So I'm just going to fry this bacon until is crispy and nice because I wanted to give the Samp a beautiful flavor. I just wanted to brown the bacon.
Okay.
And then goes in the pork trotters. This is 1 kg.
Okay.
That goes in. And then I'm going to put my whole onion in, a slice.
Nice. Yes.
I'm going to throw in my fresh thyme. And I'm going to put about some 3 bay leaves, broken there. This is flavor. I'm just building up a beautiful flavor.
Flavor, yes.
Yes. I am not even going to chop my garlic. I'm just going to crush it and throw it in there. And then I cover that with water. Okay, and then you're gonna add a little cube of chicken stock.
Stock, yes.
Salt and pepper. So then just a little pepper.
There we go.
Some salt. That's going to be really yummy. Cover with lid. And cook it for the next 1 hour, 30 minutes.
So the stew is ready. Do you soak your samp?
I soak my samp overnight. I only soaked 1 cup of samp and 1 cup of beans. I cooked it normally in just water and salt.
Okay, great.
Yes, and then it goes.
This is going in there, and that's where this whole flavor and samp is coming together. I love
Everything
it.
is going to build up.
Let me help you with this lid.
Yes.
There you go.
It's been cooking for 1 hour, 20 minutes.
Yes.
Yes. So it's reduced. You can see the sauce is very beautiful.
Yeah, it's thickening in there. I love it.
Yes. Now we are going to add the samp into the pot.
Oh, I can
the
already.
Thing about the samp, you just cook 2 cups and then you have
You've got a lot, and that's just what makes it a great, affordable staple.
Yeah.
Oh, I can already see my piece lying there.
A big one.
Yeah.
A big piece. Then you can add water just to get the consistency that we want.
Yes.
Just a little bit saucy. So we're going to simmer this for 5 minutes and
then we can eat.
We can eat.
It smells like Sundays. Can we say it? It smells like Sundays.
I really have to cook this for my mom.
Definitely.
So good. It tastes like home.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It tastes like.
And this is a winter.
I want to go home now.
This is a have-to everyday meal. So from me and Liziwe in the Memory Kitchen, if you like this, share it, leave your comments and subscribe.